Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I have got a bit of a DIY project. I am going to be trying my hand at some wallpapering. I've never done anything like this before. As you guys know, this channel isn't a how-to channel. This is a channel about probably actually how not to, but I thought I would document the process anyway. I want to learn how to do these things on my own. Why not throw myself in at the deep end and try some wallpapering? I went out to B&Q yesterday and I have got all of the gear. All the gear, no idea. This is the wall behind me that I'm going to be trying to wallpaper. The wall is all prepared, stripped and ready to go. So I appreciate that it is very dark in this little section here. So I hope for the video today you'll be able to see sort of what I'm doing. It's just in my little stairwell here. So this is the wall in question. I haven't quite finished. I just need to sand this polyfiller down, and this is the wall that I'm going to be trying to wallpaper today. Right, this is my new wallpapering table, which I picked up for 20 quid from B&Q. I watched a YouTube video and the guy said that these would be the things that I needed. To start with, I've gone for a lining paper, which is the thickest lining paper that they did in B&Q. It's a 1700 grade lining paper. Not that that means a lot to me, I just know that that is quite a thick one. The walls in this house are very old. They aren't the best. The plaster's not the best. So I figured that this would hopefully at least just cover up most of the imperfections. This full set, apparently this is everything that I'm going to need in terms of apparatus to apply the wallpaper. Wallpaper adhesive. Hopefully this is the right paste for this lining paper. All we can do is try. And finally I got some Gorilla Glue as well. If all pans out okay, I'm actually going to try some paneling. However, I'm looking at it and I'm thinking I should probably have got a spray adhesive instead of this. We won't worry about that. We'll deal with it when we get there. Now I'm going to use my tape measure to measure up the wall top from bottom so I can measure out my wallpaper.
To ensure that you get a nice 90-degree cut on there, roll the paper back over the one below, line it up.
Just so I can get a perfectly straight line, what I'm going to do is I'm going to right, it is quite a few hours later. I don't even want to talk about it. There is wallpaper up on the wall, and that is the main thing. I wanted to show you a reality. I actually ended up moving into my other living room. This is what we're dealing with. I'm just waiting for a last little bit to dry. Is it worth it over getting a professional decorator in? I'm not quite sure. At this moment in time, I've spent a whole afternoon and now we are it's 6 p.m. We're going into the evening. Good morning guys, it is actually the next day. I pretty much packed up and sort of finished up after getting the final strip of wallpaper on the wall yesterday. I did finish the day with a glass of red wine. I've actually just been to B&Q bright and early and gotten a few bits for today, which I will show you now. So to start with, I just got some decorators, am I saying cork, whatever, this stuff, which is just gonna go in between. I don't know how much you can see on the camera. Hopefully I can just try and fill these seams a little bit. One of these that apparently the girl in B&Q just said it's like a wine cork bottle opener. I'm sure we'll figure that one out. This, which is like a multi-purpose spray-on adhesive. So I'm going to use that. By the way, sorry about my hand. Something that I was doing yesterday has obviously aggravated my skin because it has been so itchy. I have got a little sample pot of colour, which is, this is the colour of the sample that's in here. This is actually going to run along kind of the bottom of the panelling. So it's going to be like a nice grey colour, and then I'm going to paint the rest of it white. I'm going to actually think I'm going to end up going with this grey colour in this room. So I wanted to kind of run the same panelling across here. I have wallpaper paste in my hair from yesterday. We are living the glamour life over here. So once I've done the caulk, I'm hoping that's gonna make it look a little bit better. Then I'm gonna go in with some paneling and try and attach it to the wall. I'm gonna try and line it up with the one that's in the other room, and I'm gonna use my spirit level to make sure that it's straight, and my pencil just to give, oh, hello Monty. Oh, it's very hard to decorate with cats around. This is the bits that I feel could go wrong. If anything were to go wrong, it would be sticking the paneling up on the wall. So it says after you spray, then leave about 1 to 3 minutes just for it to become tacky, and then you can stick it up on the wall. So got my safety goggles on. The COVID mask is out. That's when you know it's getting serious. Paneling is done. I'm gonna try and get a better angle. This is the view from the stairs. I'm really pleased with how it's turned out, and so glad that the glue has seemed to hold them pretty well. All I have to do really is get painting. How cute is this little roller? I have just got back. I just actually went to go meet my best friend in Banbury, and on the way back I went on the hunt for, giving it away there, I went on the hunt for a frame that I'm going to put up on the wall. I just walked into one of these like cute little shops, and they had the perfect picture. You can see from my lounge that I absolutely love kind of like bold, graphic, colourful prints. I've got myself another one. So the unveil, I love it. It's just right for that area. I'm so excited to put this on the wall. Guys, I have finally finished the wall. I wanted to wrap up this video by showing you the complete finished wall. I was up till 2 AM last night. This is the finished stretch of wall. I think this is the best way to show you by standing on the stairs. I am absolutely delighted at how this has come out, and also I just feel like although it's such a tiny area of wall, it just transforms this little bit of walkway, and I honestly cannot wait. I've got paint on my hands still. I cannot wait to do the same paneling into the other room, into the front room. I just think it's going to transform the whole of the downstairs. This task was so out of my comfort zone. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.